to Kids Edu Hub. Today we are going to learn the words that start with A.
Hey kids, I am the alphabet. A.
Do you know what fruit this is? Yes, it's an apple. A for apple. This is an aeroplane. A for aeroplane. This is an ant. A for ant. Do you know what this is? This is an axe. A for axe. A for astronaut. A for alphabets. A for angel. A for animals. A for aquarium. A for ambulance. Do you know what fruit this is? It's an avocado. A for avocado. A for apricot. A for autumn. A for artist. Subscribe to Kids Edu Hub. Let's learn the alphabets and the words together. Thank you.